Gold and silver both almost trading flat with a pivot at around 1920 levels for gold. It has seen plus minus 10 levels, well 1910 as lows and 1930 as high. At the same time, silver has also gone to its most important and critical resistance zone at 23 and has since then seen a pullback. Now, what to expect today? Which position you should take trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start. First we'll look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end. If you look at the hourly charts, see first of all a dip here, then a V-shaped recovery, consolidation here, slight dip, then a sharp rise. You can say minor retracement or consolidation, then a sharp rise, then retracement here, consolidation. So you can see it is creating higher base with higher lows and higher highs. On the hourly charts, it is creating a bullish channel, and hence we have to wait for gold to break below this channel in order to confirm the bearishness. Right now also, if you look at the 20, 50 and 100 period moving average, here is the crossover and all the three are trading parallel on the hourly charts. This is a good indication as of now. Also, you can look at 1920 was the earlier resistance. Now it is acting as a support here. Hence, I will recommend you to sell only and only if you see gold trading below 1915 levels. Below that 1910, very strong support. You can see 1910 here and here at these levels, and hence below 1910 only for the bearishness to prevail, where you can expect gold to trade more bearish. Now on the upside, now since it is creating higher lows, higher highs, on the upside beyond 1925, and see this is the zone where it is also the top of the Bollinger Bands 1930-32. I will expect it to go till towards 1938 and 40 levels, which is a very good resistance zone. But let's have a further detailed look. See, stochastic has come out of the oversold levels here. The MACD has crossed over for a sell, and right now looking downwards, it is slightly trading with a bearish bias. RSI almost flat, and on the 2-hour charts likewise similar is the observation here. Bullish channel. Wait for it to break past this channel here, then only we can sell. That is at 1915 levels, below which further bearishness to prevail. At the same time, the highs of this channel, as we discussed, are at 1938-40 levels. Stochastic on the 2-hour charts have dropped. The MACD on the 2-hour charts is willing to converge crossover. See, one wave, second wave is about to begin, but let's see. Right now it is still trading bullish. RSI almost flat, and on the 3-hour charts similar is the observation. Only thing is the moving averages have started to converge but not yet crossed over. So wait for it to cross over all the three, then it will start moving upwards. Stochastic has dropped. MACD willing to converge. First wave, second wave it is about to start, and second wave of the down leg will bring more bearishness. I will wait for it, else it may continue. If it continues on the upside, like this should be a very good indication that gold is going to trade bullish from here. Else, see, it is still prone to a second wave here, or the leg of the second wave here. RSI almost flat, and on the 4-hour chart, now on the 4-hour charts, couple of things to note: lower highs, lower lows in the previous two candles, and this is coming after a big red candle. Hence, we have to wait for it to now break past 1924-25 levels. Rather, I will say you can buy at 1924. First, we have to wait for 1930 levels, first resistance, and then beyond that 1930-32 first resistance, and then 38-40 levels to be seen there. Hence, you can buy at 1924. At the same time, a sell entry is confirmed below 1915 only. Stochastic flat, MACD in green, RSI is also flat, and on the daily. Now see, on the daily charts, first of all, one must look at this. It has reversed from the 20 period exponential moving average. Also after this drop, this is a retracement here. Also, if you look at higher lows are consistently seen here. Now higher lows is a very good indication that the lows are fixed, and hence here also 1915 and 1910 are the two levels. Below that it is going to be considered as bearish, At the same time, on the upside, 1930-32 zone, if it breaks past by, and then 1938-40, if these two zones are cleared, then you can see gold is bullish. You can confirm and you can stay long in gold. Stochastic is seen rising. MACD on the daily charts is crossed over, and this crossover is coming at a slightly lower levels, and hence we can probably expect a little rise on the daily charts. RSI is looking upward. Considering this, for now I will recommend you to buy at 1924 and sell at 1915. On the downside, be careful of 1910. On the upside, be careful of 1930-32 levels. And then 1938-40. If these two levels are taken, certainly you can say that gold has got the momentum and it is going to fly high. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Before we proceed, you can join my mentorship batch starting 10th of July, that's 23rd batch. Do not miss this opportunity. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email ID are mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start with silver. Silver right now trading at 22.90, and as we have discussed several times, 23-23-20 zone is very critical for silver, and it is getting resistance at the same levels. Now look at the hourly chart for silver. Precisely the bottom is here 22.40, 22.20 levels, and since then we have seen a good rise. You can see here a V-shaped recovery. Then since then it is trading in this bullish channel. Now the highs of this channel are far away, but certainly the support levels are seen at 22.80 levels. You can see previously this was the resistance. Now it is going to be the support 22.80 and 22.70. These are the two critical numbers. Below that, little more bearishness is going to be seen. Right now, if you look at on the hourly charts, see the rise here, consolidation rise, retrace, rise, retrace. It is trading in this bullish channel here, higher highs, higher lows. The highs of this channel now at around 23.40, 23.50 levels for the day. Also, if you look at the moving averages have crossed over, all three trading parallel, indicating bullishness here. Hence, it is clear that a sell entry is only below 22.80, but till this zone, that is 22.70, 22.80, we have to be careful. Below 22.70 only little more bearishness may be seen. Stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD is also right now indicating slight bearishness. RSI is almost flat here, and on the 2-hour, now see on the 2-hour charts, you can see 1 and 2 candles here, 22.70, given it a very good support. With that as support, we have seen higher highs here, first high, second high, retracement. Now if it continues from on the upside, trades about 23. See 23.20 is the level, 23.10 and 23.20. These two levels are very strong resistance for silver. I'll show you on the daily charts also. A stochastic has dropped and now seen a rise. The MACD, now look at MACD. One important point on the MACD, after this V-shaped recovery, this is the first wave. I will wait which direction the second wave takes as of now. It is about to start the second wave. RSI is flat, and on the 3-hour chart, now one important point on the 3-hour chart, see the drop here, retrace, then higher lows, now looking upward. So here also on the 3-hour charts, higher highs, higher lows, and hence this zone here becomes important here, 22.60. And also I will wait of if it breaks past the highs 23.10, because beyond that certainly we can say that silver has lot much room on the upside, and it will continue to the top of this channel, which is right now at 23.50, 23.60 levels. Stochastic flat, MACD with trading with a modest bullish bias, RSI almost flat, and on the 4-hour chart, similar is the observation on the 4-hour charts. Just wait for the second rise here. Just wait for it to break past 23.10, and certainly more bullishness is going to prevail there. Stochastic flat, MACD trading with a modest bullish bias, RSI is also flat. And on the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here, and on the daily charts you will find that the body size is, on the previous candle you can find out that the body size is almost half the size of the complete move, and hence still you cannot treat this as a complete pullback, and chances of a rise exist. However, the important part is the convergence still towards the 20 period exponential moving average, and it has failed to break past. And see 23.50, very strong resistance is there. This is not only the top of the channel but also the 50 and 100 period moving average, and hence this zone becomes very important for gold to break past by, silver to break past by. On the downside, see body size here is on increasing side, as the previous candle as a half size, you can see now it is trying to look upwards, staying above 2310. Certainly more bullish momentum is going to prevail. Else also you should treat this as what has happened, this drop, this is still a retracement till the time it breaks past or stays below 24. We should not treat this as a complete reversal. You can already see here drop, retracement, drop, retracement, so possibly to the 2350 mark. Stochastic looking up, MACD has crossed over, good sign on the daily charts. RSI is also looking upwards. Considering this, a buying entry I will for silver is about $23 levels, but beyond 23 also 23.10, 23.20 are the two levels which it needs to sustain. Only about 23.20 we can say that there is more bullishness, and we are going to definitely hit 23.50 levels beyond 23.20. You can take your positions accordingly. On the downside, below 2280, 2270 and 2260 are two major support levels. Hence, if you're taken a sell and trade or taking a sell and trade 2280, be careful of 2270 and 60. Below 2260 only further bearishness is going to be seen. Hence, take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Also, you can join my mentorship batch starting 10th of July. That's the 23rd batch. Join my mentorship batch, join my signal channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.